Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Buying furniture is no easy game. How about you make your bed and table? In this Ted's Woodworking review, we'll help you get an idea about how making your furniture can sometimes be a better plan. Before we get started, if you like the content and decide to purchase and use Ted's Woodworking, kindly click on the first link in the description of this video you're watching to get a good discounted price, and guys, ensure you subscribe to the channel. Building a home is indeed a dream. To add in furniture that makes it feel like a warm and cozy place is what you would wish for. How about making your furniture with proper guidance? Ted's Woodworking PDF helps you to create desired furniture. With more than 16,000 woodworking plans for you to build, Ted's Woodworking PDF is a great catch. If you're new to carpentry, then Ted's Woodworking PDF also provides you with a list of tools you will need. Keep watching this Ted's Woodworking review to know more about the PDF and what is inside it, as well as to conclude how good it is for you. How does Ted's Woodworking work? 1. It provides you step-by-step instruction. The PDF is so detailed, it is as though you're being spoon-fed. The projects are all picturized with detailed marking, and the procedures are all marked one after the other. 2. Ted's Woodworking book gives a list of all the cutting and wood materials needed. Apart from taking you through the step-by-step process, the book also has list of all the materials you need. Be it tools or what kind of wood to use, you need no go around being confused. The book explains well what material you need for your project. 3. The diagrams are highlighted. This means each diagram is drawn with the utmost care and focus on helping you figure out how to build the item. Be it a toy or a rocking chair, the diagrams are concise and clear in all aspects, thus giving you a hassle-free woodworking experience. 4. You have pictures from all the angles that help you figure out things before you even get your hands on them. Lastly, as it provides you with every single detail, you don't have to be a pro to work on it. You would be a layman or a pro and still create projects with the help of Ted's Woodworking. Benefits of Ted's Woodworking Guide. 1. One of the primary benefits of Ted's Woodworking PDF is that you need not to have a degree in woodworking to get your hands on a project. You can be an amateur and still build whatever you like with the help of Ted's Woodworking Guide. The detailed instructions with the pictures help you move your hands and tools to build your favorite furniture. 2. Within 16,000 plans, you can never go out of ideas. Be it a sophisticated treehouse or a tiny dollhouse, Ted's Woodworking will give you the right instructions that will help you figure out how to go about building. 3. You get 4 bonus guides with Ted's Woodworking, which is a great deal to grab onto. 5. The guide also helps you to balance your budget. This means that Ted's Woodworking book gives you strategies that will help you pick up the right tools and wood within your budget, so you wouldn't have to compromise on the quality, and at the same time your pockets won't be ripped off. 5. You feel like you've accomplished something. There is a sense of purpose that you get when you sit down to create something. Seeing the final product would give you a sense of accomplishment. Lastly, it is better than the cheap quality commercialized furniture. Since you're building it, you know what raw materials you're using. You also have to know how much you have spent on it to get a quality product. The cons. Unfortunately, some of the plans are terrible, which means you have to spend some time filtering through the bad plans. I would prefer a product with fewer plans, with each one to be high quality. Even though I'm not an avid woodworker, making one or few of the projects from the kit would be money well spent. They also offer a refund, so that's a huge advantage. Grab this guide today. You can get instant access on the link below in the description section. Thanks for watching.